Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm doing my natural hair routine wash day for my 4C hair. So stay tuned guys. Thank you for subscribing and also keeping locked to my channel. So the first thing that I'm doing is to saturate my hair with moisture, and I'm using water as always. Then I go in with the Blue+King shampoo, which contains soft sulfates. I then detangle using my fingers, focusing on my scalp because that is where most of the buildup occurs. So this shampoo smells nice. It has olive essence. That's what they're saying on the bottle. I don't know if it's true. Just see those curls, hey! I then twist the hair away and move to another section. Afterwards, I go in with more shampoo to wash out all the buildup that was caused due to the gel that I was using, and I also focus on all the exposed places of my scalp. I then rinse and go in with my Lorys Deep Moisturizing Jaborandi Conditioner. I swear this product leaves my hair feeling saturated with moisture, and that is always the goal. I only focus it on the ends of my hair because deep conditioners are heavy and might clog your pores when you apply directly on the scalp. After I finger detangle, I do a loose braid, and your hair should look something like this. I then put on a shower cap and wait for 15 to 20 minutes before I rinse out the conditioner. This always helps to absorb all the nutrients from the deep conditioner. Never use a towel to dry your hair because it strains the strands, resulting in breakage. The next step is I go in with the Mikalla leave-in conditioner, which contains shea butter and castor oil. I then use the Andrea hair growth essence, and I seal in the moisture with the Jamaican castor oil. Don't worry, the conditioner dissolves in the hair after some time, so all those white substances will just fade away, leaving your hair shiny and all that good stuff. So this is how my hair looks like, and I then cover the hair with a scarf for the day and let it dry overnight. The next morning, I take out my scarf and then I unbraid my hair. Apply some castor oil mainly to my edges because that is where most of the straining occurred while I was taking out my braids. Afterwards, I take this wide tooth comb and stretch out my roots. Just notice that I am not running the comb all the way through my hair because I want definition in my curls for the style that I want to achieve. It's been long since I did a high bun, so that's what I'm going to be trying today to see whether my hair can actually handle it. So I do the basic high puffed out bun. I make sure to lay down my edges with the Eco Styler to give it a more defined and neat look. I can't actually believe my hair has grown this much. I then throw in some hoops and accessories, and that's it. So remember to comment on the topic that you'd like me to do next, and also subscribe. Bye!